guys. This looks ridiculous, but look how pretty it is. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am actually doing a first impressions on a palette today, but I am also asking you guys to ask me questions that you would like to know about me for another video. Also try and say that 5 times fast. I don't even remember what I just said, but I would like you guys to ask me anything you want to know. Like a get to know me kind of video. This was inspired by Crystal Ryan, and she's my best friend. So go ahead and ask me anything you want, and I will mention you and give you a shout out and your question, and then I will also do the same thing over on Instagram for my Instagram followers. I figured this could be something that people can come back to and go ahead and watch if they are interested in finding more out about me. But let's get into this first impressions video because I'm really excited about this. I actually picked this up when it was 50% off at Ulta, and I haven't tried anything except one cream highlighter from Becca. I don't own a single Becca product, so I was really excited to try this out just because I believe it is her only eyeshadow palette, Volcano Goddess. So I was actually super excited to try this because first off, I don't have a lot of these kind of colors and it looks beautiful, and I've been digging in it and playing with it, by the way. I haven't done an eye look yet. I've just been like swatching colors and figuring out what colors might go good with each other, so it's a little messy, I apologize. But this Volcano Goddess is inspired by stones and metals, so it is really beautiful. These colors are very interesting because there's only 3 mattes and they're very light, and I feel like with the look that I do want to try needs some more warm toned mattes, so I am coming in with Most Love Mattes by Milani, and I'm going to be using these warmer tones right here. So even though this is a first impression on the entire palette, I feel like I just can't get the look I want unless I have some, you know, richer, deeper mattes, because the mattes that this one has is this kind of taupey brown, this nude color, which actually looks a little bit more peach on me, and then this really pale bone shade. But other than that, everything else will be from this palette. So let's go ahead and get started. So I think what I want to do is, because I want to do this really beautiful, rich, kind of sunsetty kind of eye, I think I'm going to do it a halo style. So I'm going to do a circular shape. I'm going to do a round halo eye instead of a swoopy halo eye. I think the color I'm going to start off with is, we're going to do this peach shade. That's really pretty. It is pulling peach on me and looks a lot more intense on my eye than it does in the pan, but I think it looks really beautiful. And I'm just going to kind of blow out that bottom lash line as well. Yeah, I like that. It's just very soft. Alright, so now I'm going to do this more rich brown right here. And I am just putting this right below that transition color. Now this was for 50% off at Ulta, and did you guys go and get it there, or did you guys get it online? Were you guys even aware that Becca had an eyeshadow palette? Because I was not. And I saw it and I was like, that is so beautiful. Because there isn't that many mattes, we're going straight in with shimmers. So this is going to be kind of intense, and I apologize. Alright, there is Red Rock, Lava, and Gilded. So I am using these 3 shades right here. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's be excited together. Yay, excitement! So I'm going in with Red Rock, and because it's going to be a halo eye, ooh, kind of, that, with the brush, it kind of put up, ooh, it's very soft. So I'm putting these on the inner and the outer corner. I mean, that went on so easily and so fast. Wow. It's really beautiful, you guys. I don't have this kind of red, brown tone anywhere in my collection, so it's beautiful. And I'm going to pull this red under as well, here. I'm going to kind of mimic the halo on top and bottom. So I'm doing red on the bottom lash line, the same areas that I'm doing the red on the top lash line. And I'm going to do this with all the colors that I end up applying. Alright, so now I did that red rock, and so far it's looking really pretty. Everything's blending very nicely. As you go, this is with any halo look, as you go, you always want to try and keep this line continuously blended. Alright, so now I am going in with Lava, which is this really beautiful, rich, coppery color. That's the most beautiful color, but it's kind of chunky and it looks more like glitter. Okay, I mean, that is blending okay. I think this might look a little better if I tap this home with my finger, like in this area right here, to try and blend those two colors together. I mean, it's going on okay with a brush. It just has a weird texture. I feel like if I were to get this wet, I think it would do that weird texture thing, because you know how some eyeshadows are really beautiful and they're dry, but as soon as they get wet, they kind of get this flaky look on top of your eyelids and it's no longer smooth. I feel this is what would happen if I were to make this wet. So for that reason, I'm just gonna keep it dry. I mean, that color is gorgeous. That is so, oh, I'm in the sun. Can you see it? I have a little bit of light hitting it. Oh, I got like a shard of light right here that I can pop in and be like, look at my eyes. Look at them. Oh, look at my eyes. Oh, it's not focusing on my eyes. Don't look at my eyes. Alright, so now we are going in with Gilded, which is this gorgeous gold here. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Oh, snap! Yep. That's incredible. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty. Oops, I took you a little too far. My finger, fat finger, man. Ooh, you guys. That's really beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going to add Gilded to the lower lash line. I'm not in focus. How long wasn't I in focus for? Hello. There we go. Alright, there is this lid topper color, and I really want to use that. It is, I'm having the most difficulties right here. It is right here, and it just looks like it's going to be super reflective. But I think I just want to add that to the inner corner. I am going in with just a little tiny brush here. This is so thick. And oh! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh geez! Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you? Oh my! Look at that! Wow. I can't stop looking at my eyeball. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I haven't even put on lashes or anything. I'm so excited. I am just going to line my eye with this Lord and Berry and strobing pencil. And I'm gonna put on a little bit of a lash line with some eyeliner and put on mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back so I have both eyes done and we can do the rest of the face. Alright you guys, I freaking love this look. I'm trying, okay, there's a ray of light right here. Okay, if I lean forward, you can see it in the sun. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see here. If I zoom in, I want to see if you guys can see this in the sun. Alright, are you ready? Alright, here's not in the sun. And here's in the sun. You see how sparkly that is? Not in the sun, in the sun. Not in the sun, in the sun. But also, I could do this. It's so beautiful, you guys. I freaking love this palette. I love this palette. Oh my gosh, first impressions, phenomenal. I mean, it's probably not for everyone just because it does have a lot of like cool toned colors in it, but for the most part, the way that they perform, they feel like butter. They are stunning. The arrangement is just a gorgeous color combo. I mean, even in the sun, look at those colors, you guys. They are gorgeous. And actually today, I'm going to try and get this up today, it is on sale at Sephora. So, I mean, if you guys like this video, it's on sale at Sephora. You can go get it right now. Today. Although, if you guys are watching this in like a month or two, probably not. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the blush, highlight, and lips. Now, if you guys are new to my channel and you don't know much about how I do makeup, I love dark lips. I really love dark lips. I love to over-exaggerate looks by adding dark lips to everything. Sometimes I do nudes. Sometimes I do pinks, purples. Most of the time it's dark. Today we're going dark. Dark red, and it's my actual favorite red of my entire life. And if you guys actually want me to do my favorite reds video, let me know, because I pull out all of my reds and my berries in winter. So if you guys want to see something like that, let me know below. Also, I don't know what's going on with my throat. And sorry, the blush I'm using is Flower Pot's powder blush in Warm Hibiscus. It's kind of like NARS. It's kind of like a NARS Orgasm. It has this beautiful gold sheen to it, and it's this beautiful pink. Holy pigment. Oh my gosh. Look at that pigment, y'all. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. Our beauty. Yeah. All right. My highlighter, I am actually using the Pixie by Petra Glowy Gossamer Duo in Delicate Dew, and it is just a beautiful combo, and I'm using both together because I'm pulling in a little bit of pink, but I'm also pulling in this really beautiful gold color, and I'm just going to combine these two, just swirl them both together. That sun is just blazing on my face right now. Alright, now we're doing the lips, y'all. Are you ready? I'm going in with Mistletoe by Bite Beauty, my favorite red ever. Oh, I love you. You guys, this looks ridiculous, but look how pretty it is. Alright, you guys, here is my final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this palette. First impressions, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so that's all I have for the video, but make sure to ask me a question on anything that you want to know about me, and I will make a video shortly soon afterwards answering all your guys' questions and also giving you guys a shout out. And also make sure to head over to my Instagram. I'm going to be posting this look also asking my Instagram followers to ask me the same questions. So you can also head on over there, and it is Kira Lachelle. It's the same as my channel. And I will also be answering questions from both Instagram and here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! This was inspired at Sephora. This is so impossible. How do people do this? Does anyone know any easier way to do this? It's a ghost. Not really. Okay. And I am using my favorite Alright, there is... Dine.